Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get TradingView discount. Alright, so let's begin. Whether you're already using the platform or just getting started, this method will help you stay updated on any available deals. Start by visiting the TradingView website using your browser on either desktop or mobile. Once you're there, log into your account so any personalized offers can appear. After logging in, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen for the chat icon. This is the support assistant. Click on it to open the chat. If it doesn't show up immediately, give the page a few seconds to fully load. With the chat open, type a message asking about current discounts or promotions for TradingView. After sending it, wait for the automated response. This assistant can provide updated information about any ongoing or upcoming offers. In many cases, you'll learn that the biggest discounts are usually available during major sales periods like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or other seasonal promotions. These deals can vary depending on your region, so availability may differ. Another useful tip is to check your email inbox. TradingView often sends promotional offers directly to users, and some discounts may be targeted based on your location. If you don't see any current deals, it simply means there may not be an active promotion at the moment. You can keep checking periodically or visit the pricing page on their website, where any discounts are usually highlighted clearly. If you do find an offer, follow the instructions provided to apply it. Just keep in mind that discounts are often limited to the initial billing period, and your subscription may renew at the standard rate afterward. And that's it. This is how you can get TradingView discount. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.